A Richmond family just lost $92,000 to a fake contractor last month. If you're hiring in BC, watch for these 4 red flags or you're next. Bad contractors cost BC homeowners millions every year. Here's how to spot them before it's too late. Red flag number 1. No written contract or estimate. If they say, "We'll figure it out as we go," that's a scam. Run. Red flag number 2. They want full payment upfront or cash only. Professional contractors don't operate like this. Ever. Red flag number 3. No online presence, no reviews, no references. What are they hiding? Probably a trail of disasters. Red flag number 4. Can't show proof of insurance, WCB, or licensing. If something goes wrong, you are liable, not them. Miss even one of these red flags? You'll end up with a nightmare project, a blown budget, and zero legal recourse. Professional contractors give detailed written quotes, accept standard payment terms, have verified reviews, and proudly show their credentials. We're licensed, insured, WCB compliant, and Haven members. 5 years serving the Lower Mainland with 0 complaints and hundreds of happy clients. Our homeowners know exactly what they're getting: transparent pricing, quality craftsmanship, and complete peace of mind. Ready to work with a contractor you can actually trust? Visit shivajiconstruction.ca or call 604-256-4166. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, hit that subscribe button and give us a like. We post new construction tips every week to help BC homeowners avoid costly mistakes.